आती हुई लक्ष्मी को मुझे मना करना पसंद नहीं है। माई फादर हैज नेवर लाइक एनी वन ऑफ माई एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड्स। यू आर नॉट द सेम, यू आर नॉट द सेम। हम अकेले आए थे, अकेले जाएंगे। आई लव यू फॉर सेइंग दिस। रीत वाज लाइक, डोंट कॉल मी योर फ्रेंड ऑन योर चैनल प्लीज। आई डोंट नो हु माई फ्यूचर हस्बैंड इज येट, सो आई कांट से। Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am doing a classic Q&A, the first Q&A of 2025. अभी तक ये साल में हमने बैठ के बातचीत नहीं की है and you know आप लोगों को बहुत कुछ होते हैं questions जो मेरे बारे में जानना होता है and it's best I answer them for you all instead of you all going and googling these questions, because when you all do, you all get random answers and then you all think that is the reality. So I love doing these question answer sessions with you all time to time, being as unfiltered, as honest as I always am on my channel. जितना मैं कंफर्टेबल हूँ बताने में आप लोगों को बता देती हूँ, और जो मैं नहीं हूँ मैं वो भी बता देती हूँ कि मैं नहीं हूँ कंफर्टेबल। तो प्लीज जो भी सूत्रों से आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिले उसे ना मानिए, बिकॉज मैंने कभी पब्लिकली ये चीज आपको नहीं बताई है। ओके, आई हैव माई कॉफी हियर विथ मी टू फ्यूल मी थ्रू दिस Q&A. It's gonna be a long video, a chatty one, classic Sara style. If you're interested to go grab a snack, खाना पीना ले लो, तो go do that. पॉज कर लो थोड़ा वीडियो, मैं इधर ही कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ, जाके खाना ले आओ और फिर उसके बाद वी कैन डाइव स्ट्रेट इनटू दिस. इफ दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम यू कम ऑन माय चैनल, देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन, जॉइन द सारा स्क्वाड. आई एम श्योर यू लव इट हियर, एंड आल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट द बेल आइकॉन राइट नेक्स्ट टू, सो दैट एवरी टाइम आई अपलोड अ वीडियो यू गेट नोटिफाइड. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड देन वी कैन डाइव स्ट्रेट इनटू दिस. ओके, इस बार मैंने क्वेश्चंस इंस्टाग्राम पे लिए. यूजुअली मैं यूट्यूब में कुछ भी लेती हूँ, मतलब मुझे जो मर्जी है. लास्ट टाइम आई थिंक मैंने यूट्यूब Q&A किया था, इसलिए इस बार आई हैव टेकन माई क्वेश्चंस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. नाउ व्हेन आई एम स्क्रॉलिंग थ्रू माई इंस्टाग्राम, द most asked question is, am I a 2025 bride? No, I am not a 2025 bride. साल के स्टार्ट में मैं आप लोग को बता रही हूँ 2025 में हम शादी नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो प्लीज आप अपने एक्सपेक्टेशंस और अपने सपने, बहुत लोगों ने सपने भी लगा रखे हैं मेरी शादी से. दैट्स रियली रियली स्वीट, बट वी डोंट प्लान टू. इट्स नॉट इवन इन द चार्ट्स फॉर अस. लाइक फॉर रीत एंड आई, वी हैव अदर गोल्स दैन टू गेट मैरिड. मैं हमेशा अपने चैनल पे हमेशा बोलती थी दैट मैरिज इज नॉट अ गोल फॉर मी. जब वो फीलिंग आएगी तब कर लेंगे, बट वो गोल नहीं है कि वो एंड रिजल्ट होना चाहिए. जैसे चल रहा है वी लव इट, मस्त चल रहा है, वैसे ही चलने देंगे हम. तो शादी ये साल तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं, अगले साल भी शायद बिल्कुल भी नहीं. तो 2 साल तक आप ये क्वेश्चन अपने जेब में रखिए, उसके बाद मे बी 2-3 years later you can ask this question. There was also a question asking the age gap between you and जीजू बने नहीं है, तो अभी से age gap जीजू नहीं, रीत और मेरे बीच में there's only 1.5 year का age gap. Right now I'm 26 and he's 27, so he'll turn 28 on 10th August. And I will, so basically one year some months is the age gap, so that not that much. Like he's 1 year older to me, almost 2 years older to me. Next question, how do you stay confident and how do you tackle your insecurities? I think confidence is a work in progress. It doesn't come overnight. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं ऐसी थी हमेशा से. It takes time and a lot of self work to become confident in things that people might find flaws. आपको वो चीज में comfortable रहना है, because everybody has flaws, right? Internal, external, what is visible to the world, what only you know, वो सारे रहेंगे इंसान में. तो identify कि हाँ ये मेरी खामी है, but I will work on it is the best thing to do for yourself. And when you're working on it ना, तो कभी भी कोई भी इंसान, if they are trying to pull you down, it will never affect you, because you know that you're working on it. Like if somebody tries to call me fat, or somebody tries to point out my acne. जब मैं teenager थी तो I had acne, I was really dark complexion, I was obese also at one point. I was 90 kgs when I was studying for medicine. तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारी मेरी insecurities पे, बोलते हैं ना, दुखती नस पे उंगली रख के point out किया है and tried to poke it. But I knew at that time I had other priorities. मेरी पढ़ाई ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट थी, मेरा करियर ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट था, तो मैं अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान नहीं रख पाती थी. तो वो मुझे ज्यादा चुभता था. बट जब मैं अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखने लगी एंड आई स्टार्टेड सीइंग द रिजल्ट्स, देन दोस पीपल्स कमेंट्स आल्सो डाई आउट एंड देन दे सी दैट यू आर सो कॉन्फिडेंट. तो आप जितने कॉन्फिडेंट रहोगे ना, उतना लोग आपको कम चीज बोलेंगे, बिकॉज उनको पता है कि ये बंदी को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. दे ऑलवेज स्पोक एट यू व्हेन दे नो दैट यू आर वीक एंड यू आर इनसिक्योर, एंड दे विल पर्पसली कम एट यू. लाइक हाउ डीलिंग विद ट्रोल्स ऑन द इंटरनेट, फॉर मी somebody like a public figure like me, मुझे कोई चीज से फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. तो no matter how much people hate on me, I am very confident in my body, in myself, in the way I look. So no matter how much you say, it's not going to reach me internally and make me feel bad. वो अंदर से मुझे बुरा नहीं लगता है, because I love how I look and I love the way I carry myself. So no matter what you will say, I'll be confident in how I am. So internal confidence comes from the fact that थोड़ा ढीठ बनना पड़ेगा उसके लिए, because दुनिया काफी irritating है. काफी वो लोग जानबूझ के will try to, whenever you're climbing a ladder, people will try to pull you down. So whenever you're doing better for yourself also, people will try to pull you down. Yes, Fudgy. दरवाजे पे कोई आया है, फज को जाना है, जाओ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डू यू एवर फेल्ट यू कैन नॉट डू इट, ऑल गोइंग अवे, डाउटिंग माई सेल्फ सो मच, प्लीज मोटिवेट. लास्ट ईयर फॉर मी वॉज समवेयर आई फेल्ट लाइक एवरीथिंग वॉज गोइंग अवे. जितना मैंने काम किया है सब कुछ चला जाएगा, ओ माई गॉड, वो था. बट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड एंड कम आउट ऑफ इट ओनली नोइंग कि हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. वी कैन जस्ट put our head down and work and everything will fix itself. If in life you just put your head down and work on yourself and your goals, it will all come together for you. So it might take a lot of time. It took me a lot of time to bounce back to where I am today again from last year. All it took was just put my head down and work. कुछ नहीं, लेफ्ट राइट देखना ही नहीं है, किसी की बातें सुननी ही नहीं है, कुछ कमेंट पढ़ना ही नहीं है, बस काम करते रहो. एंड कहीं तो कहीं पहुंचना है ना, हम रुक नहीं सकते. If you'll stop doing what you do, you'll never get the end result. Buying a Dyson for a person who is not an influencer or content creator, is it worth it for regular use? Dyson is ऐसा नहीं कि content creators के लिए ही useful है, आपके बालों के texture पर depend करता है, to be very honest. So Dyson uses air technology. If you have really silky, soft, smooth hair, then Dyson is not going to work for you. It's not going to stay on your hair. वो कुछ भी effect जो होगा Dyson का, वो कुछ मिनटों में चला जाएगा because of the humidity in Mumbai specifically or in India. If you go abroad, maybe ज़्यादा टिकेगा आपके बालों पे, but mostly Dyson doesn't even work in the other countries. You'll have to carry the voltage converter and all that. But मेरे जैसा बाल का texture हो, so I have frizzy hair. I have a lot of texture in my hair naturally. So in my hair, Dyson works really well and it stays. This is not just Dyson right now. I have come from a shoot and उन्होंने tongs भी किया है बालों पे. ये Dyson से नहीं मिलता है, but I feel like the Dyson effect is very different. In fact, even better than what my hair looks right now. Looks very voluminous, very naturally wavy, and for me it stays a really long time because मेरे बालों में naturally texture है. तो जैसे उसको घुमाओ ना, वो टिक जाता है. तो if you have the hair texture like mine, frizzy, textured, wavy hair, it will stay on you. If it's super silky, super smooth, it is not. And if Dyson stays on you, if the effect of Dyson stays on you, I think it is worth it because I know since the time I bought Dyson, I stopped going to salons. I stopped even getting hairstylists for my shoots and everything. I just do my own hair and it saved me a lot of hair also because last year मैंने इतना ज़्यादा hair styling कराया था, आधे बाल तो मेरे उधर ही झड़ गए. And hair fall भी बहुत कम हो जाता Dyson से because it's not pulling and tugging your hair. It's really good for your scalp also. It's using air technology. So उनकी technology and everything की वजह से I think it's absolutely worth it if it works for you and if the results stay. So you can go to a Dyson store, try it out. अगर आप पे सूट किया तो आप ले सकते हो. मुझे sponsored नहीं है, मैंने खुद अपने पैसे से लिया है and this is my honest review that if it works for you, it's absolutely worth it because you'll save a lot of money in these blow dries if you like a blow dried look on your face. You create super good content and we all love it so much. So a big thank you from my side. God bless you. How sweet. This is a sweet message. You said your channel won't become a couple channel, but honestly it is starting to look like one. Okay, if you feel that way, I am really sorry. That is not the intention at all. That is why Reet and I don't sit down ऐसा and make content, but vlogs में ऐसा हो जाता है because Reet stays very close to my house and we chill a lot, of course. And that was majorly the like, so when he's in Mumbai, he stays very close to my house. His rental is very close to my house. If he does not stay in Mumbai, then he's not in the vlogs. Like अभी जो vlogs चल रहे हैं उसमें he's not there because he's traveling. So before it was really simple for me to not put him in vlogs because he used to travel a lot more than he's traveling nowadays, and most of the times he was away, so it was fine कि मैं vlog करती रहती थी and he used to not be in it. We don't want it to be कि हमारे पे ज़्यादा focus हो. But y'all seem to love it. Like honestly, every time we come on screen and come online, we get so much love from everyone and everything. Like the comments, the brands, even brands love us. Like I'm so surprised. Like nowadays I get brand inquiries and they say that please take Reet in this video. This has to be in collaboration with Reet's page. So Reet is now a brand criteria, very new addition to us. Also like हम भी surprised है, हम बोले कि ऐसा क्या हो गया है मतलब, because we never planned for all of this to happen. It's happening very organically. Everything that we have done ever since we became public has been whatever and wherever level Reet has been comfortable with, because I am a public figure and I'm very comfortable doing this. And vlogs also, if you'll notice, हमारे एकदम जो intimate moments होते हैं जहाँ सिर्फ वो और मैं हैं अकेले, we don't vlog. Like most of the date nights, y'all don't come with us. Most of those places we don't vlog. So we keep those moments just for ourselves, and I try to minimize as much as I can. But when a person is literally with me as much as Reet is, it's like fudge. You know, fudge is there in every vlog, तो रीत भी हर vlog में होगा if he's in Mumbai. Like we discussed this before we became public कि बहुत लोग friend बोलते हैं till they become official, like married or engaged or something, and then they make it official. But we were never comfortable because it is so obvious that we are not friends, and we were like it's not like हम मेरे से तो झूठ बोला ही नहीं जाता है, तो मेरे से तो नहीं होगा वो एंगल, तो या तो हम एकदम प्राइवेट रखेंगे या तो हम बोल देंगे. And even Reet was like, don't call me a friend on your channel please. So that was a very clear angle that we always wanted to take, that हाँ ठीक है अगर बता रहे तो we will show our relationship, otherwise हम नहीं बताएंगे and fully private रखेंगे. And somebody else has also asked this question, aren't you scared about revealing your relationship online with the kind of breakups that you see, the social media breakups that you see? Honestly, truth be told, I am scared. That is the reason why initially also Reet and I were private for so long, and we had our private time and kept our relationship private because I was very scared. Like Reet was not a public figure पहले, right? तो मुझे बहुत डर लगता था कि क्या होता है ना, जब सोशल मीडिया ब्रेकअप्स होते हैं तो सिर्फ जो क्रिएटर पब्लिक है उसी पे सब आ जाता है. लाइक हमेशा ताली दो हाथ से बजती है. एंड इफ देयर इज अ ब्रेकअप, आई एम श्योर देयर इज ऑलवेज टू पीपल इन्वॉल्वड हु वर इन द रिलेशनशिप. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली व्हेनेवर द अदर पर्सन इज प्राइवेट, नथिंग कम्स ऑन टू देम एंड एवरीथिंग comes on to the public person. All the allegations, all the trauma, everything. And while the person is already going through a hard time, the audience and the community gives them an even harder time, and I've always seen that happen. So for that reason, I wanted to protect our relationship and myself in the future कि खुदा ना करे कुछ हुआ तो मुझे वो आंसर्स देने ही नहीं है लोगों को. Secondly, Reet was also absolutely a private, like you, I know you all say that you said that Reet is a private person and now you all are making videos together, what is this, and you know kitna jhoot bol rahe ho and all that. A lot of trollers have come at us with that, but honestly he was an absolute camera shy person. Whatever you've seen now is the kind of comfort that Reet has developed with time, एक करके. And even now when we are filming videos, he takes his time. Reet अपने content के लिए बहुत अलग तरीके से film करते हैं as opposed to जब हम साथ में content shoot करते हैं, because his content is very different. If you've noticed Roaming Trucksack के videos में, sometimes it's not even Reet, it's just the people he travels with. He just takes visuals of the place. He just wants to show the place and the beauty of the place. उसको अपने आप को वो travel के center में रखना ही नहीं है. He doesn't want people to know him for him, but for his travel and for his experiences of life. So that's a very different angle and a different take on content creation than the take I have on content creation, because here I am the focus and center and people are invested in my life. So that's the difference between Reet and my content. So his content is very comfortable. उसको पता भी नहीं चलता है. कभी-कभार I see his video and I'm like, कभी किया ये intro? And I don't even realize living in the house. I don't even see when he's gone in the room, taken an intro and finish it off. So it's very organic. He's a one-take artist for his own channel and very chill. Like his content is super chill and my content is done very differently. So he, अगर अभी भी vlogging camera उनके face पे होता है ना, he gets a little like not comfortable talking in front of the camera. So I mostly don't vlog around him unless a lot of people are there. Like if my family is also there, if everybody else is there, friends and all are there, tabhi I'll keep the camera on with Reet, and then he's very comfortable because everyone is around him to talk, to do things. Just him and I, he doesn't know how to talk to the camera naturally yet, but he's definitely mashallah gotten a lot more comfortable than when we became public. That I can tell you for sure. So it's a work in progress for him and I. Like it's the small things you do for each other, right? For me, this is my career, this is what I have built, and eventually हमको हमेशा पता था कि this would happen. But I can tell you one thing, he takes a lot of effort. Like we just organically, sometimes Sharon and I tell him कि ये करना है, and even though he's absolutely opposed to the idea कि get ready with me, shoot करना है, ये करना है, he's like मैं 5 स्टेप में तैयार हो जाता हूँ, तुम तो इतने स्टेप्स लेती हो तैयार होने के लिए, हम कैसे साथ में शूट करेंगे. बट ऐसी मतलब मस्ती मस्ती में हम कर लेते हैं, and he's a sport, 100% a sport. So slowly and steadily he's getting comfortable with this and we are enjoying the process too. And when it comes to getting scared, we were scared initially, but when we became public, it was a very mutual decision जो हम दोनों ने लिया. And that time Reet had also, like you know, his Roaming Trucksack page had gained a good amount of followers. He was already a public account, so he also said कि if you are worried that it will, if God forbid anything ever happens to us, it will only come to you, it will not happen like that, because मैं भी अभी public हूँ, तो इक्वली हमको हेट आएगा अगर हम ब्रेकअप करेंगे, तो डोंट वरी. तो हमने ये सारे एस्पेक्ट्स ऐसा डिस्कस किए थे कि यू नो, बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग स्टेप टू मेक योर रिलेशनशिप पब्लिक, एंड वी डिस्कस्ड एवरीथिंग, ऑल द पॉसिबिलिटीज. खुदा ना करे ऐसा कभी भी हो, बट अगर हुआ तो वीव डिस्कस्ड एवरीथिंग एंड वील बी ओके विद इट बिकॉज लाइफ मूव्स ऑन, राइट? सो यू डू आई गेट स्कैर्ड? यस, बट इज देयर एनीथिंग आई कैन डू अबाउट इट? नो. With given how much of our life was private, we absolutely enjoyed it, we loved it so much so that whenever he travels, he's like like, oh, it's actually amazing also that way कि we again become private and have our own times where it's not just him in my videos and I'm also not in his videos. So we actually enjoy that content space to ourselves when we are away from each other also. So it's a good balance. I think it's a work in progress. Fears are definitely there, but that's that. Will I ever launch a makeup brand? I don't think it's in the works for me. I love makeup. I love experimenting and trying so many different makeup products. But I think having one brand, I can tell you, okay, loving a product versus running a business about the product are two absolutely different things. And I have one business and I want to just keep my focus, energy and everything on scaling that business. किसी ने ये भी पूछा है कि will you launch another business or when will your other brand come out? I keep thinking of ideas that I want to do, what other brand I can launch, but then I always put a pin in it and keep it aside because it's a lot of work and I'm a perfectionist. So मुझे कुछ भी अच्छे से करना है, ऐसी namesake नहीं करना है. तो so far nothing, no makeup brand, no anything other brand. How does this house feel now after living in it for a few months? Do the finishing misses still ache you? The house feels amazing, mashallah. I love it. I love every corner of my house now. I think every corner has become so useful and that's what I always wanted. कि घर जो यूज हो रहा हो एज अ हाउस, एज अ स्टूडियो, एज एन ऑफिस, जो चीज के लिए जो बनाया था, एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग यूज्ड एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. लाइक नाउ इवन माय किचन गेट्स यूज्ड इन मॉम मेड इट का वीडियोस. इट एक्चुअली मेक्स मी फील गुड कि इतना पैसा लगाया किचन में तो फाइनली खाना भी बन रहा है उसमें. तो आई फील अमेजिंग. द हाउस फील्स रियली गुड एंड द फिनिशिंग टचेस जो यहाँ वहाँ थे, इट डजंट बॉदर यू. आफ्टर अ point you're just so busy in your life and you're hustling and on the go ke you don't care about interiors anymore. When I sit on Sundays I think yaar ye alag kar sakte hai, let's buy a new coffee table, let's buy a new fridge. These ideas definitely come into my mind but I put a pin in it and I keep it aside because I don't want to spend any more in this house. Unless something gets spoiled, I don't want to spend any more. Reet ka gift reveal video and the story behind that gift. So Reet's gift on my birthday, I just put a blur on it in edit and I didn't show you all what it was. It was just because I didn't want any opinion on it. There will never be a reveal video and a story behind that gift because it's super special to me and it's a very special gift. और मेरे लिए वो, you saw the smile it brought on my face, right? It meant a lot to me and he knows that, I know that. But if one person also says ना कि it is ये क्या दिया है, ये ऐसा क्यों दिया है, he could give something better, तो मैं नहीं लूंगी. क्यों लूँ, मेरा गिफ्ट है. बट लोग बोलते हैं, मालूम है, while there are so many nice people who appreciate gestures, who appreciate our love and who love us so much, there are a lot of mean people on the internet who give unsolicited opinions जो मुझे नहीं सुनने हैं, especially about my birthday gift. My birthday gift should only give me happiness and if the sender has also enjoyed giving it to me. And this you might feel ले आपने सब दूसरे लोगों के तो गिफ्ट दिखाया, आप रीत का क्यों प्राइवेट रख रहे हो? बिकॉज रीत कुछ भी करता है ना तो लोग ज्यादा उसको उंगली करते हैं. लाइक मॉम डैड मुझे कुछ भी दे, सबरीना कुछ भी दे, मेरी टीम वाले कुछ भी दे, कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. बट रीत ने जो किया सब लोग उस पर आ जाते हैं एंड ही इज अ private person like that. Personal life uski completely private hai. So it hurts him but it hurts me also a lot when people say something about him or with respect to him. So I didn't want to reveal it. There will be no reveal of the gift. It is my gift and I will keep it to myself. कि मैं क्यों बताऊँ, मेरा गिफ्ट है तो मुझे नहीं बताना. मैं सब कुछ बताती हूँ बट जो चीजें मुझे नहीं बतानी है बस. There should be no question about. How do you procure your coffee and ensure that it is top quality? We procure our coffee from Chikmagalur, Karnataka. We ensure quality testing everything that happens in the flavoring process. So before it goes to flavoring, there's a full quality testing mechanism that is set in place. Everything happens in Surat and Surat में हमारा coffee flavor होता है and then it gets packaged and then it comes to me. There's a full process that I set in place before I started the business itself, like started selling it. And there are multiple levels of quality check that happens. So there is no doubt about the quality of coffee ever in the 3 years that it will ever go down or ever ये पूरे process में कहीं lapse होता ही नहीं है. There are lots of layers to it. The next question is asking that I don't have a lot of friends in school and I'm scared about college कि I won't have people to be with. You honestly don't need a lot of, I love my friends and I have a lot of good company but I'm just saying that you don't need people to get by in life. You can get by alone if that's not your jam because eventually adulthood is the loneliest thing ever. Once you're an adult, you'll be so lonely because you'll never have anybody around you. I go through life almost every day alone. I have a partner, I have best friends, I have everything, I have a team, but you'll still feel lonely that you are on this journey alone. Nobody's gonna hold your hand and be on this journey. So it's okay if you don't make friends, but have an open mind. If you like somebody's company, अगर आपकी किसी की बातें अच्छी लग रही है, go for it. Go and make a company, make a group with that person, but it's okay to not have friends, you know, that doesn't make you a loner, because eventually everybody is lonely. हम अकेले आए थे, अकेले जाएंगे, and I genuinely believe in that. How do you deal with anxiety before something big? Anxiety has been definitely something that has started. It was not something जो मुझे पहले हुआ करती थी, but अब मुझे बहुत anxiety होती है. ये I think last year की वजह से मेरा ये एक factor trigger हो गया है, and I don't know yet actually. I don't know what I do to feel better. I talk to the people I know. I cry when I feel anxious. I cry a lot. Yeah, especially in PMS, I feel very anxious. Like I'll wake up some days and I'll have उठते के साथ I'll have anxiety. And बस ऐसा बेचैनी सी लगती है ना कि पता नहीं कुछ गलत ही होने वाला है या कुछ गलत हो रहा है, कुछ गलत हो रहा है. Some days I'm the most chill person there is, and some days my anxiety is at peak. I'm still struggling with it and still figuring it out. It's not a disorder yet, and I don't want it to be also, Allah na kare, but I'm just trying to talk to my friends and all and figure it. Abhi tak I have not gone to the therapy route. I don't have an answer for you. The answer is that I don't have an answer for you yet. Also, how can you start earning from YT, and what are the precautions that should be taken? YouTube pays you through AdSense, but उसके कुछ criteria है. उसका I think 1000 subscribers and 1000 watch time hours, ऐसा कुछ है. अभी recently for Mama Did I was checking. Once you reach that, you will start getting AdSense revenue. It really depends on the kind of एड्स जो आपकी वीडियो पे प्ले हो रही है, उसको आप नहीं डिसाइड कर सकते, वो यूट्यूब ही प्लेस करता है. बट वो एड्स पे डिपेंड करता है कि वो स्पॉन्सरर ने कितना पैसा लगाया होगा, एंड देन यू गेट अ कट ऑफ इट एंड यूट्यूब कीप्स अ कट ऑफ इट. यू ऑल्सो गेट मनी थ्रू ब्रांड डील्स. सो ब्रांड्स, इफ दे आर इंटरेस्टेड टू पार्टनर विथ यू, देन दे विल ऑफर यू स्पॉन्सरशिप्स, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू विल अर्न. ऑनेस्टली इट विल टेक टाइम. ऑल ऑफ दिस टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू किक इन. एज सच देयर आर नो प्रिकॉशंस टू बी टेकन. यू जस्ट नीड टू मीट ऑल दिस क्राइटेरिया. आप गूगल करोगे तो ये पूरा क्राइटेरिया आपको मिल जाएगा कि व्हेन can I start monetizing my YouTube channel, and you'll get the criteria for it and you'll come to know. It takes a while. First it used to be easier, to be very honest. Before even I started content creation, it was easier. Then they made it harder, and now after Shorts has come, they've made it even harder, because Shorts ki wajah se a lot of people have a lot of subscribers but they don't have watch time. So now they've made it a little harder for those people. I have seen you in real life, and weight loss utna nahi hai jitna you see on the internet. It's okay. It's a weight loss on the scale. For me, it's more about the inches, more about my health actually, more than fat loss. I am more ke my periods are coming on time, my mood swings are in check, my health is in check, my anxiety is in check, मेरी नींद अच्छे से हो रही है. If all that goes for a toss, then I'm like, okay, I need to fix something about my life. Something needs fixing. So more than fat loss, for me, it's lifestyle and PCOS. And it's okay if I'm not looking zero figure when you meet me in person. I miss the old Sarah, but also I love the new Sarah. So much love from Bangladesh. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you saying that, because growth is a part of everybody's life, and a lot of people don't appreciate the fact that I've grown up only. Like a lot of people keep saying you are not the same, you are not the same, you are not the same. I'm glad I'm not the same. If I was the same person in 7 years, I would not like myself. You need to grow up, you need to evolve, and I'm glad I could do that for myself, and I love you for saying this. What treatment you usually go through for glow and maintenance at Dermat Clinic? So the only maintenance treatment that I do right now is Tri-Beam. It's this laser procedure that happens at Dr. Shade's clinic. It's for general glow. That's it. Like glow ke liye, glowing skin ke liye, it is really good. So Tri-Beam karke hai. I've made a full video on all the skin treatments I've ever done. I will put it in the eye over here, and that is the only treatment jo abhi tak maine rakha hai, is the dermat procedure, Tri-Beam, and I do it at Dr. Shade's clinic. Something you would say to your younger self. Okay, so my younger self, I used to always feel really scared कि if I earn through healthcare, it takes a lot of time to earn money, and by the time I have enough money, my parents would be very old to enjoy the money I earn. So I used to always feel very scared as a kid, as a younger self, कि मैं जब तक कमाने लगूंगी तो मैं मम्मी पापा को कुछ करके नहीं दे पाऊंगी, मैं मम्मी पापा को कहीं लेके नहीं जा पाऊंगी. I will never be able to do anything because they'll be too old to enjoy the benefits of my job. So I just want to tell my younger self that you'll be able to do for them, and don't worry. I just always wanted to make my parents proud. That was my only goal in life, because my parents have done a lot for me, and they've always gone, like, we really come from a middle class family. Jitna bhi internet ko wants to troll us and say that you all come from really comfortable families, my parents, I know, they've come from पुअर टू लोअर मिडिल क्लास टू अपर मिडिल क्लास, और उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी बिल्ड की है, एंड मेरे चलते बिल्ड की है. लाइक आई सॉ देम स्ट्रगल अ लॉट इन लाइफ, एंड आई हैव सीन देयर जर्नी सो क्लोजली. ऑफ कोर्स दे आर माय पेरेंट्स, बट ऑल्सो माय पेरेंट्स नेवर हिड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम अस. सो दे यूज्ड टू share, especially my mom used to share a lot with me. My mom is really close to me, तो वो मुझे सब बताते थे, like the loans we had, the everything. She used to tell me everything that they were going through financially, even as a kid. And I used to just want to make them proud with my studies, with my career, and be able to do for them. तो मुझे बहुत डर लगता था कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So I just want to tell my younger self कि you did it, and they are very happy, they are proud, and you can do for your parents, and that would have made her very happy. Traveling to Andaman in March, give me some tips. March is a good season to go to Andaman. अभी April, May, June तक it's a really good season to go to Andaman. Tips तो क्या, you can just contact Experience Andamans, or you can contact Saurav from Dive Master. He will do a fabulous trip for you, sunset cruise, and definitely go and get your PADI certification, go for fun dives and become a diver. It will be the best, most revolutionary thing to ever happen to you. If you have not done swimming and you're not comfortable underwater, then you can do the sunset cruise. You can go when the moon is not up, so no moon ke time pe, and you can go for bioluminescence. That is a kayaking trip for bioluminescence. That is also beautiful. The beaches are beautiful. Radhanagar beach pe sunset. Watch my vlogs, it's amazing. The food is great at Silver Sand. Definitely all of these are the tips that you should follow. And Full Moon Cafe mein jaake eat the banoffee pie at Full Moon Cafe. I just went na, to mujhe sab fresh bhi hai. Will auntie share vegetarian recipes too? She will, and she does. I think वो chicken के बीच में कहीं गुम हो जाता है, but her chicken is a speciality. That's what she's known for. But her veg cooking is also superb. Her cooking, वो बोलते हैं ना लोगों के हाथ ही कोई अच्छे होते हैं. Her cooking hand is really good, mashallah. And she will share vegetarian recipes, chaat, everything is vegetarian, and also desserts are vegetarian. How do you manage your finances? Do you consult a CA before taking any financial decision? I do consult my CA before any, not like travel and all, but कभी कभार मैं वो भी बता के जाती हूँ to my CA that I'm traveling, because firstly I talk to my CA the most because I have to pay TDS, I have to pay GST every month. We have to do so much accounting compliances that the government has formed for us, and you have to keep doing that. So I'm constantly in touch with my CA. So whenever I'm making some big purchase, we do consult with my CA, and they help, like, you know, guide my purchase कि कैसे I should go about with it, and how much time I should wait, how much, if it's a house or something, kitna loan lena chahiye, kitna you should pay from your pocket, how much savings you have, all of that she only takes care of. There are 2 people in my accounts team, so both of them get together and do it. I don't do much of all that maths. I just sit and listen. My dad is in on these meetings. Your mom is Christian, your dad is Muslim, and your future husband is Hindu. Am I right? I don't know who my future husband is yet, so I can't say that. I can't say that. Why don't we see your Jiju in your vlogs? Does he live abroad? He does live abroad. He lives in UK, and he has a corporate 9 to 5 job which doesn't give you a lot of छुट्टीज. तो वो ऐसे ही कभी भी मुंह उठा के आ नहीं सकते India. He has to apply for leaves and all of that, and he works on project to project basis. So every time his project gets renewed, unfortunately he can't come. So every time he plans to come, he can't make it. But he might be coming very soon this year. You saw him in my Pack Sara vlog because he had come for my birthday last year because of the Pack Sara collection. So that was a very special moment. Need your second stud details, please. The diamond one, that is this earring that I wear piche. Close up pic, please. Okay, I will put a close up over here. It's not a solitaire. It's a cluster of a little bigger diamonds. Though not ekdam chote chote. Bade diamonds, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 diamonds ka cluster hai. 6 and 6, 12. So there are 2, and then it's a Bali. I really like this earring a lot. That's why I don't want to change it, because it's so comfortable. It's a sote waqt bhi lagti nahi hai. And it's actually helped my piercings stay, because piercings go bad so easily. If you could switch your lives with any other YouTuber for a day, who would it be? Very interesting. Who would I want to switch my lives with? I'm so content in my life that I don't want to switch my life with. But I would switch my life with Sherry Shroff. Yeah, I would switch it with Sherry because I love her dog, and I love her house, and it has got this vintage aesthetic, and it's those old Bombay homes, and I think, like, you know, she has like these Parsi parents, and I would get to eat all this Parsi food, and I'm very intrigued by Sherry's life. I really like her lifestyle, so I would love to switch lives, and I would love to know what it's like to have a stylist for a sister. Like, how is it to, you know, be brought? And she's one of the OG, like, not just creators, but also she's been in the media industry since she's started working. So I would love to know what it's like to be in Sherry's life, you know? Yeah, that's, I think, yeah. I'd never thought of this till this question came. What motivated you to put yourself out there on YouTube and be so real? The fact that when I started content creation, there were no brown skin girls online. Like, not a lot of people were creating content who had this skin tone and complexion. Abhi to inclusivity is big, but when I started तभी inclusivity था ही नहीं, and plus India में इतने cosmetics भी नहीं थे जितना अभी craze हो गया cosmetics का, उतने brands भी नहीं थे. So I used to feel very like I used to watch creators who were still online, but I used to not be able to relate to their skin tones or the skin tone they were suggesting, the shades they were suggesting. I should not understand कि मेरे पे कैसा लगेगा. I used to buy as per their suggestion और मेरे पे इतना गंदा लगता था. तो I used to feel like there is definitely a gap that I want to fill by being the girl that I want to see on the screen and see on, like, my complexion was a lot darker than it is right now also when I started content creation. And if you'll ask me what I've done to lighten it, I have not done anything but stay indoors. Now I stay a lot indoors. पहले मैं कॉलेज वगैरह जाती थी, ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करती थी. So much sun exposure definitely does make your skin a lot tanner. And I was much on the deeper complexion when I started YouTube, and I could never find anybody to be of that complexion and suit my skin tone for giving me beauty recommendations. And I'm very passionate about beauty and makeup. Even today, that passion has not died. So that is the way I could be this real online. Why don't you share prices of your luxury bags anymore? It would be help for some of us, a lot of love. Because while it's helpful to some of you, most of you find it bragging, and most of you find it unnecessary information, and so I stopped sharing the prices and made it like, ठीक है लिया है. Because I remember when I used to share prices, I used to also do it कि अरे लोगों को helpful लगेगा, but then people don't find it helpful. They just be like, oh तू तो show off कर रही है वगैरह वगैरह. I was like, if you want to find the price, सारी दुकानों में you can just walk in and ask the price nowadays. Nobody judges you. Secondly, you can find it online also. You can just Google the price of any bag and you will get it. So that's why I always give you the name of the bag, so you can Google it, find out how much, because you don't get discounts on these bags. There are no discounts available. So how much you see online, that's how much I've paid for it, and that's it. I always tell you all where I got it the cheapest. Like अगर मैंने Paris से उठाया, and if I tell you कि मुंबई में भी same price है, you take it from Mumbai, I'll always give you that information. But I stopped giving the prices. So I still keep it helpful to the people who are interested in luxury shopping, but now I don't give the price so that it's लोगों की आँख में नहीं आ रहा है basically. How you deal when one of you is irritated and spoil the mood of the other person? This is I think a couple question. Deal with it क्या है, मतलब अगर मूड खराब होता है तो मूड खराब होता है, वो एक इंसान का हो तो दूसरे का भी हो ही जाता है by default, and vice versa. I think in a relationship that's something that's bound to happen. So we don't deal with it. We try to calm each other down. If I am in a much calmer mood and Reet is more irritated, I calm him down. If he's more calm most of the times, which he's more calm and I'm irritated, then he calms me down. But if both of us are irritated, then we end up fighting, and it's okay. It's normal. It's completely alright. Do you have trust issues? If yes, how do you overcome it? I don't have trust issues. I'm not just saying with respect to Reet in general. I don't have trust issues. I think for me to form a relationship only with someone, trust is the base factor. So if I've formed a bond with you, it's because I trust you, and therefore I don't have any trust issues. अगर मुझे आप पे भरोसा ही नहीं है तो वो रिश्ता मेरा बनेगा ही नहीं आपके साथ, and then you're not in my life. So I don't have trust issues. I first make sure that I trust and respect is eternal. It's eternal for me. Love and all is like very superficial. Trust and respect, ये दो चीज इंसान में होनी चाहिए for any relationship, for parent and daughters and sons, for relationships and for colleagues and everything. Do you think karma is real? Then why do good people suffer and bad ones don't? Everybody suffers in life. Everybody suffers, okay? Everybody's life has some amount of suffering, and that's what life is about. You have to get through your difficult days, and karma is real in my opinion. I think जो हम ये जिंदगी में करते हैं उसी का फल हमको ये जिंदगी में ही मिलता है, and I have seen it in my life, in other people's life, that if you do good, good comes back to you. If you do bad also, bad will come back to you. You might feel कि मैं किसी का कुछ बुरा नहीं कर रही, but अगर आपने छोटे वे में भी किसी का बुरा चाहा भी होगा ना, you will get it back. So it's always all karma. It is, and I do believe in it absolutely. What are the summer plans for Impulse? Big plans for Impulse Coffees this summer. Like March and April are going to be huge for Impulse Coffee's launches. March में also just a quick plug-in कि we don't do any discounts in the month of March, but we offer 10% of all our profits to Ashray NGO, and we we partner with this NGO that has been doing such great work. So अगर आपको कभी भी ज़कात देने का मन किया, if you felt like doing a donation but you feel like you don't have enough funds to do a donation, just by placing an order on Impulse Coffees in the month of Ramzan, that is, it's starting on 28th Feb to 28th March, you'll be able to help a person in need. We do all types of charity, from Ashray NGO, from women empowerment to cleanup drives to beach cleanups and feeding drives, everything. Even when terrorist attacks and all happened, that time also Ashray NGO took our funds and helped people with food and shelter. So they do really good work, and that's why we always tie up with them, because they properly use our money, whatever donation we give, and they give us images, photos and a proper verification कि इतना पैसा इधर लगा है, इतना use हुआ है. So to find NGOs you can rely on is also a big thing, but we've been very happy to partner with them. Of course you can donate to them individually too, but through Impulse Coffees, if you just want to make a smallest donation, you can place an order and it will help somebody in need. What is my most favorite luxury item that I own? It's the LV bag for sure. Right now it's a white bag which is so classic and it looks really good with so many outfits, plus it comes with 2 straps, which I really appreciate because luxury bags are very conjuice like that and they don't give you multiple straps, but that bag has 2 straps and it's the LV twist baguette and it looks amazing. So it's one of my favorite luxury items as of now. One physical and emotional aspect of yours that has been changed according to you. Physically, I think my skin looks a lot better now, and it's definitely happened with time, my skincare, my food, everything improving. Emotionally, I think every year I work on my patience. My patience is not my strong suit. I'm not a very patient person. You'll never know me to be a patient person. But as opposed to if you ask 2018 Sarah to the 2025 Sarah, definitely very patient. Like very patient with everyone and everything. So I keep working on that factor. I keep working on myself with my patience. And it gets better every year. Which app do you use to manage your accounts, income and expenses along with profits? I don't use an app anymore. I used to use this app called Money Manager, and it's really great if you have like a salary and it's a fixed amount that's coming in every month, you want to manage it. It's a great app. It's I'll pop the image over here for you guys. But now I don't use any application. Now I use my CAs because it's bigger transactions on a bigger scale, so वो सिर्फ application के through नहीं हो पाता. Will you start a couple channel with Reet in the future? Never say never. You don't know where the industry is headed with just Reet in a few of my videos, and all the brands want the couple content. So I don't know where the industry is headed or what their interest is, and I don't know what angle will work in the future. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. I don't know what Reet's comfort level also will be in the future. I'm sure he's getting more and more comfortable, so in the future he'll get very comfortable, but I don't know. I don't know what the मन किया तो कर लेंगे, नहीं मन किया तो नहीं करेंगे, और तभी अगर किया तो तभी आप लोग को लव स्टोरी जरूर बताएंगे. दैट आई कैन टेल यू. अगर कपल चैनल हुआ तो आपको लव स्टोरी जरूर मिलेगी. वन थॉट दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड व्हेन यू लुक एट रीत जीजू एंड यू लुक सो गॉर्जियस टुगेदर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. दैट ही इज वेरी अनोइंग. I think you all thought as a प्यार भरा thought आता है उसको देख के. Sometimes he's cute, sometimes he's annoying, sometimes he's अलग-अलग विचार आते हैं हर बार देख के उसको. How do you know that Reet is the one for you? By the way, you all are so cute together. I don't know if he's going to hit me out. I hope he's not watching. But I know he's definitely a solid person. Reet is a solid person, and when I say that, for me, it means firstly the feelings we have towards each other is mutual. ऐसा नहीं है कि only he's feeling it or I'm feeling it, and that connection is built on mutual feelings. So at every stage in our relationship, we were both feeling the same things at the same time. So I think that connection built on a very strong note, and that made me feel more strongly towards this relationship. Plus, he's not afraid of the future. He's a very strong man. If you'll go to see, Reet is very strong-minded. He knows what he wants. He knows what he doesn't want. Like, if I'll tell him something कि जान ये करना है, he'll be like, हाँ कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते. There'll never be an if or but why. Nothing of that. There will be a conversation, but he's a very strong-minded person, and I really appreciate that. I always wanted to date somebody and be with a person who's opinionated. Not कि जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वो कर रहा है, या you know जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वो नहीं कर रहा है. Like, he'll not be always against it, which is why also today we can create couple content धीरे धीरे, because he was never opposed to the idea. He said धीरे धीरे I'll get comfortable, and I gave him his time, and as much as he's comfortable with, we progress. So I think the smaller things in life make you feel like, okay, even through the hard times, and can you get through the hard times together? Like Reet and I have seen a lot of bad times together, a lot of them. I can tell you that much. Like जितना लोग नहीं देख पाते अपनी lifetime में हम दोनों ने एक साथ देखा है. And through that also, if you can stick with each other, then you really know that that person is the one for you. And those are the things that have made me feel like, okay, you know, we'll go through 1,000 hells together, but we'll fight and be there with each other. So it's been very hard for us on a lot of occasions, which all that doesn't come on camera, nobody knows well before also, but that makes you realize कि ठीक है, this person. And also the way he is with my family. For me, it's very important that the person I'm dating gets along with my family. It should not be a forced effort कि अरे यार इसके साथ रहना है. It should be कि हम naturally, and my father has never liked any one of my ex-boyfriends. This is the first boyfriend of mine that he's approved. So that should also say something. Have you turned down sponsorships if they don't work for you? Absolutely. Guys, at this stage, I don't mean to brag, but almost every sponsorship which you must be seeing other creators do in the beauty industry does get offered to me also. But if I've not taken it up, it's probably because the product didn't work for me specifically. And that is when I can't say. So as much as Ativi Lakshmi ko mujhe mana karna pasand nahi hai, I have to turn it down, because for me, the loyalty, I always ask myself, is my loyalty towards the brands, or is my loyalty towards my audience? And my loyalty is towards you guys, because you all spend your money to buy the product I recommend, and that is a huge responsibility. I always take it very seriously. So if it has not worked for me, and I will still go ahead and tell you all it's good, and अगर आप लोग ने खरीदा, आपका पैसा वेस्ट जाएगा, मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. सो जो भी चीज़ पे पैसा लगता है ना, वो चीज़ को मैं बहुत सीरियसली लेती हूँ, चाहे वो मेरा खुद का प्रोडक्ट क्यों ना हो, कि कोई प्रोडक्ट मैं प्रमोट कर रही हूँ, आई विल ओनली प्रमोट इट इफ आई लव इट, and if I like using it on me, if it works for me. Like there's certain things that I understand कि ये shade range अभी तक inclusive नहीं है, दूसरों के लिए shades शायद नहीं है, but if a sponsorship is offered to me and मुझे वो shade suit कर रहा है, I take it up, because at the end of the day, this is my job, this is how I pay my bills. But if it's not suiting me also, and if the brand tells me कोई और foundation mix करके लगा लेना, then I'll be like sorry, मैं नहीं कर सकती. तो वो एक hard boundary है कि I'm sorry, drop me off the campaign, you don't have a shade for me, I can't mix another foundation and do it. But if your foundation shade suits me, I'll take it up. And I always give the brand feedback कि guys, 7-8 shades is not good enough, you all need to do better. But then I take it if it suits me. So that's the only, I think, soft line, soft boundary that I sort of created for myself. That अगर मैं सारे foundation campaigns को मना करूँ, because I'm waiting for the day कि India में 50 foundations है, so I'll be turning down a lot of campaigns, because even today that has not yet happened. I love my man, but I can't live with the bare minimum my whole life. I'm tired emotionally now. If you can't live with bare minimum, then you need to earn, my baby. Like you need to earn your own money if you can't live with bare minimum. Can he live with the bare minimum? If he can, then he's doing just fine for himself, because he's not obligated to spend for you. He's not obligated to provide a life to you. That is one thing that women need to realize, that if you want the luxurious life, then you need to earn for it. How can you expect a man to earn for it? कहाँ से miraculously वो पैसा लेके आएगा? He is also living a normal basic life and has to do and probably has other goals, you know, has personal goals, has professional goals, and if you want more, you should do more. I personally feel that always. Like I'm an extra person and I'm dating somebody who's a very minimalistic person. So we both are very comfortable with our lives on our own and individually. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना कि मुझे luxurious चीजें पसंद है तो तुम मुझे दिला के दो, क्योंकि that's just toxic. That's toxic, honestly. Has Reet joined you as in your team? Absolutely not. He's not joined my team in any way. Whenever he's got a work from home day, he just comes back to the studio and then helps Bonaita with content, because we've always wanted a male face for content. Otherwise, coffee as a product becomes very female centric. So he becomes the male model sometimes for Impulse also, because he creates content for me. So ऐसे content में या marketing में, so Reet works in marketing. So his marketing brain helps Bonaita quite a lot. So whenever he's in and around, he comes by and spends a lot of time in office. So that's why you will see him team reels वगैरह में बहुत ज़्यादा. But he's not joined my team in any way. Not Impulse Coffees, not Sara Sarosh, none of that. It's all like just when people need us, then we come on screen, or when we feel like it, we come on screen. One of the two. दैट वाज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. इससे ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस कुछ भी अलग यूनिक नहीं आए. मैंने सारे क्वेश्चंस आंसर कर दिए. ब्यूटी रिलेटेड कुछ भी क्वेश्चन था तो आई डिडंट आंसर इट. आई विल आंसर ऑल द ब्यूटी क्वेश्चंस इन अ सेपरेट ब्यूटी Q&A बिकॉज ये थोड़ी पंचायत वाली लाइफ की पंचायत वाली Q&A थी. तो आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड watching. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. I hope I didn't pakao you all too much and you all found it interesting nonetheless. For today's video, the Saraswat shout goes to Ishita Shishir. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part next to your Saraswat shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and you get a chance to be a part of my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.